Somebody has a question that they need explained to them as if they were 5 years old. Their words, not mine.
Okay, I have a scenario, and I need my liberal friends on this app to explain it to me, okay? And I need you to explain it to me like I'm 5 years old, using facts and logic, okay? I don't want to know about your feelings. Okay, here's the scenario. You have a 20-week pregnant woman going to Planned Parenthood. She wants to end her pregnancy. There's nothing wrong with the pregnancy. She's healthy, baby's healthy, but she's single mom, bad circumstances, and she's just, I can't handle a baby right now, so she decides to terminate the pregnancy. On her way to Planned Parenthood, she runs into this guy, mean guy, bad guy. He kills her. He gets charged with double homicide. Why? Why? If she can go, like she was going to, and terminate her pregnancy, and it's fine, and you guys consider it medical care, then why, if he kills her, is it double homicide instead of just single homicide? Please explain that to me.
Okay. It would be the Unborn Victims of Violence Act of 2001, which reads, as a general rule, H.R. 503 provides that when one commits a violent crime against a pregnant woman with criminal intent and thereby injures or kills the victim's unborn child, the perpetrator is guilty of an additional offense, the punishment for which is the same as the punishment that the defendant would have received had the same injury or death occurred to the unborn child's mother. You can see there it's called transferred intent. The criminal intent directed toward the mother transfers to the unborn child, and the criminal is liable for the injury or death of the unborn child just as he would have been liable had a born person been injured or killed. There are your facts as to why that's the case. That doesn't mean that we necessarily agree with that. Not everybody does. Some do, some don't. But that's why it happens. Here's another fact for you. Less than 1% of abortions in the United States occurred after 20 weeks. 93.5% of abortions occurred at or before 13 weeks. 6.5% of abortions occurred between weeks 14 and 20, and 0.9% of abortions occurred after 20 weeks. That's some more information for you. Additionally, I could say the following. I don't know what percentage of pregnant women being unalived before they gave birth were on their way to the abortion clinic. But usually I would guess the scenario is that somebody is being unalived who had the intention of carrying her pregnancy to term and ultimately ending up with a baby. Not that they were on their way to the abortion clinic as you were trying to paint the scenario. So there are some facts for you. Let me know if you need anything else Googled for you.